guys, welcome back to a new video, and I will be reviewing the Mielle Organics rice water collection. Out of the 4, I bought 3 out of the set, and this one is the clay mask. With a clay mask, I basically wet the hair. I spray it first and then make sure it's damp enough, and then you just add in the clay mask like this. Here I made sure the mask was settling in, was waiting on the curls to pop, and then after I just twisted in so that the mask could settle in and do its magic. After completing these twists, I put on a shower cap for approximately an hour, I think maybe more, but I made sure that the mask was settling in, and then washed my hair after. After washing and shampooing my hair, I moved on to the moisturizing milk, which is basically for length retention, and it will give your hair all the vitamins and protein that is needed to make your hair grow. And this is how I ended up putting it in my hair. After completing these braids, I moved on to the split end therapy, which I will be adding from the roots to the ends, and this product helps to strengthen against split ends. So if you just cut your ends, just make sure you use this split end therapy. Overall, I love the collection. It smells amazing. The only thing is that the following day, when I took my hair out, it felt a bit rough. So I believe that you should add it with the other collection by maybe using their leave-in conditioners and stuff like that to keep your hair soft. But it was great, and thank you for watching me reviewing it, and see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and bye.